Shenandoah Caverns is a unique experience, not just because of its cave tour, but because of its unique connection to a creative artist, Earl Hargrove Jr., who bought the caverns in 1996. His talents designing window displays and parade floats gave him access to presidents and gave delight to millions of ordinary people. Some of his company's award-winning creations are on display down the hill from Shenandoah Caverns at the American Celebration on Parade. We bought tickets that included both the caverns and this special tour of unique floats. However, as a surprising bonus for us arriving to take in the caverns was a unique display called Main Street of Yesteryear. It is a walk back in time past department store displays that were collected or created by Mr. Hargrove. These displays were created to draw customers to the stores during holidays and special occasions, a destination in themselves for shoppers in their day. These playful bears were a little too big for a window display. They are taken from a 1996 Rose Bowl parade float. Most of the window displays were collected over 50 years by Mr. Hargrove and lovingly restored to working order so they could be enjoyed for many years to come. As a little girl at Christmas, I remember looking in the Belk department store windows at magical displays. The amount of creativity, artistry, and craftsmanship invested to create these elaborate but temporary displays is hard to grasp given today's use of technology. These displays capture a lost art.